How to track a cell phone number. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Deletes. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Method 1. You can use built-in phone tracking features. Most smartphones have built-in tracking tools. For Android, you can easily launch any browser and search Find My Device. You can even download the application via Play Store and then tap on the link given below. And here you can tap sign in and sign in with the Google account linked to the phone and view the phone's last known location or ring it. If you are using iPhone, you can open Find My iPhone via the app or iCloud website. Sign in with your Apple ID and locate your phone on the map or use other features like Lost Mode. Also, what you can do is you can use tracking applications like Life360, Family Locator, or Glimpse, which allow real time location sharing with consent. You can easily install this application and then track a cell phone number. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.